I'm Shelly from cookiesandcups.com, and today we are making easy caramel sauce. I am all about a shortcut, and this recipe is exactly that. It's only 5 ingredients, under 5 minutes of prep, and then you are good to go. You can add it to ice cream, to all the yummy things. You have 1 cup of light brown sugar, and I'm gonna add that right into a microwave-safe bowl. I'm going to recommend that the bowl that you use is a little taller because you need a little height. When the caramel sauce is in the microwave, it will bubble up and you don't want it to bubble over. It'll create a mess and then everybody's sad. And 1/4 cup of melted butter. I always use salted butter. I like the sweet and salty combo. And then I have 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Once you have all 3 of those ingredients in your bowl, you just whisk them together. Once this is all whisked together and you have out most of the lumps, if not all, you're gonna pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes and then we're gonna stir it again. After 2 minutes, you'll notice that it's a little thinner, which is great. That sugar is dissolving. You're gonna whisk it again, and we're gonna put it back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. After it's been microwaved for 4 minutes, we're just gonna give another little stir. It is gorgeous. It is the perfect caramel color. We are going to add in a little vanilla just for a little extra flavor, a 1/2 teaspoon. Finally, I like to add in a little bit more kosher salt. Make sure you stir it enough just so the salt dissolves, otherwise it will all settle to the bottom and then you'll have no salt on top and then you'll get one big salty bite. We're gonna let the caramel cool a little bit. As it cools, it'll thicken up slightly. If it cools too long, it will get firm, and all you have to do in that case is pop it back in the microwave for another 10-15 seconds and give it a stir. So while it's cooling, I'm gonna get my ice cream ready. Of course, any flavor ice cream will do. We're just gonna pour a healthy drizzle of the caramel sauce right on top of our ice cream. Look at that, so pretty. I am ready to dig into this bowl of ice cream. I am so ready. This smells delicious and it's melty and yummy. For the full recipe, visit cookiesandcups.com.